Welcome back! Let's get right to it and make sense of all these buttons. Right here is your very own farm. Well, it's not a farm yet, but I'm sure you'll spruce it up in no time. You can see more of your farm by holding down the right mouse button while moving your cursor. You can also zoom in and out by scrolling. If you ever get lost, a click of this button will reset your view. Above your farm are your stats, like how many seeds you've planted and how many crops you've watered. They should help you keep track of how close you are to completing the level's goal. Speaking of, make sure to check your objective. You only pass the level if you complete it. Now, let's take a look at this area on the left side of the screen, the block section. Blocks are little instructions that you use to tell your drone what to do. There are 4 kinds of blocks, and clicking each of the buttons on the top here will show you blocks of that type. For now, let's stick with movement blocks. Try adding a move up block to the instruction list by clicking and dragging the block to your workspace. Parsnip, show them how it's done. Oh, that's right, you can't give commands to an empty field. First, you have to add your drone. So, hit this button to place your drone on your field ready for action. Drones like to take it slow and steady, but if you want to speed them up a bit, you can click these buttons to hurry them along. Now, let's run a simulation. Like we learned, you first have to click and drag blocks over to here, then hit run. Your drone should get right to work, but something might not go the way you wanted. Just take another look and fix it. If you want to clear all your blocks and start over, hit the trash icon. Finally, up here is the level select button, which lets you hop between levels. And don't forget to keep an eye on that objective. Well, that's the gist of it. Next up, we'll be playing level 1 together, so I'll see you soon.